Me know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing a waste, nothing a dash way.
Wagwan, what's great? Chef here John Morris again, man, presenting to you how to prepare tomato sauce. The real way, the Morris style way. So forward, I'm show you Wagwan. So my pot is going and it's real hot. And the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some olive oil. About 2 tablespoons. Then right away I'm gonna add my onions. To that I'm gonna add half teaspoon of kosher salt, just to give it some flavor. Then I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of crushed garlic. I'm gonna allow that to saute for about 30 seconds. I'm gonna deglaze that with 2 tablespoons of white wine. Just allow that wine to burn off. And to that I'm gonna add 1 can of diced tomatoes. Then we're gonna stir that. Going in with 3 bay leaves, 1 tablespoon of oregano, and 1 tablespoon of dried basil. Half teaspoon of dried thyme. I'm gonna half mask our lid and allow that to cook 15 to 20 minutes on medium-low heat. So after 20 minutes, this is what it should look like. So you see it's all reduced now and it's gotten thicker. Tomatoes are fully cooked. I'm gonna go in 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar. Salt and pepper to taste. Bear in mind that I added some in the beginning. Give that a taste. Beautiful. Gonna allow this to cook for 2 more minutes uncovered. Then we're gonna remove it, blend it up, and show you what it looks like. So we're gonna remove our bay leaves, and we're gonna add that straight to our blender. Just gonna rinse this pot out with just 1/4 cup of water. We're just gonna blend that. We'll get rid of some of those pulps. And there you have it. Marinara sauce made easy here on Morris Time Cooking It. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and do remember to hit that subscribe button for more amazing videos like these. Until next time, safe travel upon the gravel, and go on, big up on yourself.
Me see you another dinner for later. But know you fast girl and have to tell me, cause any man can feed you. So that's why you always take me to the kitchen. Yeah.